Well, good morning, Callie lady. Let's see what you have to say. She had to be disappointed with the after, even though it was her choice. So this comment comes from a video where I show before and after of a patient going through cancer reconstruction. And it was meaningful for the patient to look like she did before. She liked her body and she wanted to look exactly the same. And I was able to achieve that for this patient and she was thrilled. I even say that in a video. So she was thrilled. You don't like her result. You felt the need to give your thoughts on the internet and let this patient know that you don't like her body. Now, this particular patient had a really hard time deciding to have reconstruction, and one of the biggest reasons why is she never saw befores and afters that looked like her. Plastic surgeons rarely show women that live in bodies like hers, and she felt that since she didn't meet society's beauty standards, she didn't matter. Plastic surgeons didn't care, and they didn't care to give her what she wanted. And so it was very important for her that I share her photos because she wanted other women who look like her to know that there's options for you. And no, putting something on the internet does not absolve you, Callie lady, of decency. Now, you were feeling yourself in this picture, right? You chose this for your profile. Imagine if some stranger came to your photo and commented that they don't like the color of your lipstick. They don't like the way you did your makeup. They don't like how you do your hair or the color you dyed it. They really dislike your dress. That would feel pretty terrible, right? It's not nice to have people comment negatively on your appearance. But those things are all easy to wash away at the end of the day. Imagine if someone came to your profile picture where you were feeling yourself and happy with your choices and said, I don't like your nose. Your eyes aren't spaced the way I like. Your skin needs some work. Feels even worse, right? Because these are things that are who you are, your appearance, and they're a lot harder to change. Now let's take it a step further. Imagine you were a trauma or cancer patient and you had your nose or your lips reconstructed. You just wanted to feel like yourself and your surgeon got you close and someone showed up to your picture and let you know that although you do look like how you did before, you should have wanted something different because in my opinion, it's not good enough. I just don't understand how people think that this kind of comment is okay, that just uninvited comments on women's bodies in a negative way, especially when I specifically said she wanted this, she got this and was happy, a cancer reconstruction. I can't understand how you thought this was okay. This is just hateful and unkind behavior. Leave women alone. Stop commenting on our bodies. If someone chooses something different than you would, you don't need to let them know that you would choose different or that you think they look bad because that's what you did. These patients follow us. Our patients, our plastic surgeons, our patients follow us on social media. She sees this. Her family sees this. Do you care? You have vastly overestimated the importance or relevance of your opinions of other women's body. And you have also vastly underestimated the impact of those opinions. And I hope you think about that today because this is awful.